Hello everyone, welcome back to FORnSEC Solution. In today's video, we are going to learn what is digital signature. A digital signature is a cryptographic technique used to verify the authenticity and integrity of digital messages, documents, or data. It provides assurance that the content has not been altered or tampered with since it was signed and that it was indeed created by claimed sender. A digital signature serves a similar purpose to handwritten signature or stamp, seal in paper documents, but they are based on mathematical algorithms rather than physical ink. How digital signature works? Digital signatures are based on public key cryptography, also known as asymmetric cryptography, using public algorithms such as Revis, Shamir, Adleman, or RSA. Two keys are generated, creating a mathematical links pairs of keys, one private and one public. What are benefits of digital signatures? Security, time stamping, globally accepted and legally compliant, time saving, cost saving, private environmental effects, traceability. Uses of digital signatures. Digital signatures tools and services are commonly used in contract heavy industries including the following: government, healthcare, manufacturing, financial service, cryptocurrencies, and non-fungible tokens. Why use PKI or PGP with digital signatures? Digital signatures use PKI standards and pretty good privacy encryption program, as both reduce potential security issues that comes with transmitting public keys. They validate that the sender public key belong to that individual and verify the sender's identity. PKI is a framework for service that generate, distribute, control, and accounts for public key certificates. PGP is variation of PKI standards that use symmetric key and public key cryptography, but it differs in how it binds public key to user identities. PKI use CAS to validate or and bind a user identity with a digital certificate, whereas PGP uses a web of trust. User of PGP choose whom they trust and which identities get vet. PKI users differ to trust CAS. Digital signatures play a vital role in ensuring trust and security in digital work, enabling secure transaction and communication over the internet. That's it for today's video, folks. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting hacking tutorials. Stay safe, stay secure.